subscribed our channel, then click on subscribe and click on bell icon so that you will get notification for the new videos.
Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you some of the important questions for June and December exam of IBU 01, that is International Business Environment, MCOM first year IGNOU. And before that I want to thank you all of our viewers who are watching our video and appreciating our video. Thank you very much, and this will be our last series of IBU, that is International Business Operation video, and we'll come up with more videos. That is, as per the request of our viewers, we will try to upload PDF and the questions which we are discussing in the videos, we will upload it in PDF and we'll try to provide you answers of these questions very soon. And let's begin our video. That is, our first question is on WTO, evolved from GATT, and what are its objectives, structure and functions, and describe its features of TRIPS and PRIMS. The next question is on advantages and disadvantages of FDI in India, distinguish between direct and portfolio investment, and clearly point out its characteristics. The next question is on globalization and the major forces of globalization and its effects of globalization on the world economy. The next question is on issues in settlement of international trade disputes and discuss the role of ICC, that is International Chambers of Commerce. The next question is on IMF and World Bank and how do you think these activities are affecting developing countries. The next question is on concept and different forms of alternatives dispute resolution area and discuss the role of ICC in arbitration and conciliation. The next question is on importance of political environment in international business. The next question is on methods of entry into foreign markets and explain their merits and demerits. This question is very important. This question comes in IBU 02 also in the December 2016 exam. The next question is on areas and approaches to social responsibility of international business. The next question is on how the environment affects the business decision of a firm. First one is on cultural, economic and political. The next question is on distinguish between tariff and non-tariff barriers and explain various non-tariff barriers to restrict the international trade. And the next question is on what are the various forms of regional economic groupings, discuss their impact. The next question is on discuss the following multilateral environmental agreements, that is the Montreal Protocol, the Basel Convention. The next question is on various laws the exporter has to take into account before conclusion of the export contract. The next question is on Global Trade Point Network, GTPN. The next question is on balance of payments and how does disequilibrium occur in balance of payments. Describe the methods of correcting the disequilibrium. This question is most important question. This question came many times in the MCOM exam. The next question is on major problems faced by developing countries in promoting their exports and what are your suggestions to solve these problems. The next question is on critically examine the Ricardian theory of trade. The next question is on how do behavioral practices affect the business and explain giving suitable illustrations. The next question is on short notes, that is on terms of trade, SARC, electronic data interchange and electronic commerce, special drawing rights, General Agreement on Trade in Services, GATS, transfer pricing, UNCTAD, And these are some of the questions made by our channel, all things you want to watch. You can email us for more updates. Join us on YouTube, all things you want to watch. And if you like this video, then hit like option, comment, share this video with your friends on FB, Twitter, any social account, so that your friends also get benefited and get good marks in EdCom exam. Subscribe our channel. Thank you very much, and thank you for your support. Because of your support, our channel has got around 1500 views in 1 month, and with 63 subscribers. Thank you very much. Do support us in future also. Thank you.